Hello, Keller Williams Sonoran Living agents. Thank you so much for joining me as we take this dive into Command and learn about smart plans. So the first thing we're going to do is come over to the left-hand side of Command. We're going to go to the fourth icon down that says Smart Plans. When this next screen loads, if you've never done anything in Smart Plans, this will be completely empty, and that's quite all right. What you're seeing here are smart plans that I have already downloaded and or created myself. When you've created your own smart plan, you have the option, you could publish it and share it with other agents. I have not done that yet. Now, a good way to get started with smart plans is to look at existing ones. So let's go up to the library and we're going to take a look here. So we have some featured smart plans created by different people. For example, this one was created by Marty Miller. This one was created by Fred Moore, Shannon Dager. We have 10 that were created and provided by KWRI themselves. And then we have some top rated and new smart plans that have been uploaded by other agents. So feel free to check them out, download them, and make them your own. That's why they're there. But for today, we're going to take a really simple one and we're going to find the featured monthly call plan. I'm going to view the steps. And what this is going to do, step one, it's going to create a task for me to follow up with so-and-so, so-and-so as part of your commitment to calling them once a month. It's going to wait 30 days and then it's going to assign that task again. So what does that tell me? That tells me that I can add people to this, and once a month, it's going to remind me to call them. I think that's great. That's a great way to keep in touch with your database. So let's add it. So I'm going to give this a unique name and click download. Okay, that is now in my database. Cancel out of there, and I'll go back to my smart plans. Now it should be the very top one. There we go, my monthly call plan. So if I wanted to make any edits to this, I could do that by clicking here. And since this is just a reminder to myself, I'm going to leave this one as it is. So that one looks good. I'm going to click save and I'll go back. Now, how do you put somebody on a smart plan? Great question. So there are a couple of ways you can do it. You could go all the way into smart plans, find the smart plan, come over here and click add contact. It's going to pull up a list of all of your contacts, which will take some time to load, especially if you have a lot like I do. Or you could try searching by tag. So let's say I want to send this to all of the people in my database that I met through Facebook ad leads. And here they are. Now I could select them all. There's 65 of them. And I could click add to smart plan. And then that's going to create a task for me to start calling them. So let's take a look and see what happens when I click add smart plan. It's going to ask me three options. Do I want to start all of them now? Do I want to start them on a different date? Or do I want to stagger them over the next few days? So what happens here? If I choose this first one and I've selected those 65 people, that means tomorrow I'm going to have 65 tasks to call 65 people in one day. And that's way too much for me. So I'm going to stagger it. So staggering will allow you to add just a couple of people per day over the next few days to the smart plan. So I'm going to say, let's add 10, let's do 5 people a day. I'm going to confirm. It's going to confirm that I'm adding these people. And then I'm going to click confirm again. And now starting tomorrow, I'm going to have some brand new tasks